built the biggest machine the world has ever seen. 6 million miles of wire lighting up the dream. 340 million souls, hospitals and bases too. But the lines are old and tired, rated D+ through and through. 70% of transformers more than 25 years old. Transmission lines are decaying while the demand keeps rolling on. We flatlined our power, stuck at 4,000 terawatt hours, while China's electrons exploded 7 times what we achieved. This is our greatest national security risk. The grid that's supposed to win the wars we can't resist. AI needs the juice, data centers burn the night. But we're queuing up for decades, losing ground in the fight. Energy isn't climate, it's power, it's might. Fix the grid or lose the race, turn on the light. 3-week grids barely talking, just 1.3 gigawatt tie. Enough for 9 big jets, but not to keep the country alive. The queue's 2,000 gigawatts deep, waiting years to connect. Permits drag for 8 long years. How much more can we neglect? Solar blocked by lawsuits, lines take 10 years to approve. While China builds the future, we're stuck in the old groove. Demand's exploding, AI e-waves, factories reshored. We need 10 times the power we added before. This is our greatest national security risk. The grid that's supposed to win the wars we can't resist. China's out producing us, electrons by the score. If we don't build abundance, we'll be begging at the door. Energy isn't climate, it's power, it's might. Fix the grid or lose the race, turn on the light. But we got the gas, the sun, the wind, the nuclear core. We got the brains, the capital, let's settle up the score. Couple power to the centers, build behind the meter fast. XI did it in months, make that model last. Slash the red tape, speed approvals, interconnect the land. All of the above, private hustle, take the future in our hands. This was our greatest national security risk, but we're waking up to fix it. No more playing with a whisk. All sources on the table, batteries and SMRs too. Transmission at warp speed, America, it's up to you. Energy is security, abundance is the key. Build the grid, win the future, set our country free. Check the deep dive, see the charts. It's all out there for free. The grid's our backbone, time to make it strong again. Let's go.